Right, so we've got an example here. This is actually based on my father. When I was a baby, he trimmed hedges for money, but not the same prices, I'm sure. They were back in pounds, shillings and pence back then. Okay, so you decide you want to earn a bit of extra money by trimming hedges for people. You find out that it costs $54 a day to hire a petrol hedge trimmer. Okay, one of these things, cuts the hedge nice and clean. How much should you charge per hour, and how many hours do you need to work to make some money? Because, of course, we're going to have to pay for our hedge trimmer, and if we just hire our hedge trimmer and do 1 hour's worth of trimming and we only charge $10, we're going to be $44 down. So let's have a look here. Say you charge $25 an hour and you want to work for 6 hours on one hire. How much profit will you make? So you've got $25 times 6 hours is $150. So, and then you've got $150 minus 54. What's the 54 come from? Okay, it's from hiring the hedge trimmer, and that gives us $96. So if we hire our hedge trimmer, work for 6 hours, we will make a profit of $96. Now we're totally ignoring tax and all sorts of other things in this because we don't want it too tricky. Okay, so what about if we work for 3 hours? How much profit are we going to make? Well, instead of a 6 here, we'll have a 3. So we'll go 25 times 3 is 75. Take away 54, and that'll be $21. And if you want to make a profit of $100, how many hours do you need to work? Okay, so that's a little bit tricky. You're going to have to sort of work backwards there. And then what if we want to put petrol into the equation as well? Because we can't just run this hedge trimmer on nothing. And then what about if we charge by the metre of hedge rather than by the hour? So there's you start off here and we're doing these sort of sums, and what we want to do is find a way to make this a little bit easier.